In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your laptop screen from automatically turning off on your Windows 11 computer. So in order to do this, you need to head over to your Start menu and just search for Control Panel and then click on the Control Panel window. From the top right hand side, make sure View By is set to Large Icons, and then we're going to select Power Options from this list. Now, whichever plan you have selected here, you need to click on Change Plan Settings. So because I have Balance selected, I'm going to click on this Change Plan Settings. Next to turn off the display and put the computer to sleep, you need to make sure all of these options are set to Never in the drop down boxes. And then once you've done this, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down to PCI Express and expand this. Expand Link State Power Management. And next to On Battery and Plugged In, once again, we're going to change the drop down to Off like so. And once you've turned both of these off, press Apply and OK. And then finally click Save Changes. And now that you've done that, it's going to stop your laptop screen from automatically turning off. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.